If you're looking for a career in a zoo setting, in conservation, animal husbandry, or animal rehabilitation, hands-on experience will help you stand out above the rest. A degree in zoo and wildlife biology, along with the Malone Zoo and our collection of almost 100 live animals, will help you get there without ever leaving campus. Malone University stands alone as a small, private Christian institution with an extensive live animal collection. Mammals, birds, reptiles, and a variety of salt and freshwater fish populate the confines of Timken Hall. As a student from the very beginning, you will have the opportunity to work directly with the bevy of species in the zoo and learn to prepare diets, design enrichment, conduct animal training, and present program animals to members of the general public. You couldn't get any closer to God's creation than here at Malone. But the hands-on learning doesn't stop there. Our students also participate in a wide variety of internship and conservation-related experiences, such as monitoring sea turtles, tagging sharks, restoring impaired habitats, rehabilitating wildlife, working with a diverse array of animals at zoos and nature centers throughout the country, and much more. Schedule a visit today to experience zoo and wildlife biology at Malone University.